Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. It is a beautiful day here in New Orleans. The temperature's really starting to drop, so it's nice to be outside. It's nice to come outside and wash the cars and stuff. So I haven't been posting weekly videos like I kind of really wanted to try to when I started this channel, but with the holidays coming up and the marriage and the new family with the pets, it's kind of been tough. But we're gonna go ahead and try to get on that weekly basis, man. Get some content out to you guys. And we purchased something to help. So, I've been using my phone to record everything, and I decided to make a little investment, for me and for you guys for some better footage. And boom, we got this now. So this came in yesterday. I just got this. This is the Insta360 X1.2. This is the newest model. It's got the LED touchscreen on it. It's a 360-degree camera. Now, the reason I got this is because most of my videos I do by myself, and it's really hard to capture all the footage when I'm trying to do all the recording by myself. So this is really gonna help. I've got tons of accessories coming in to really help with it. So I hope you guys like. Now, on that note, today's video is not gonna be, and you can see behind me, I've got Voodoo Queen and I've got Lilith. We're not actually taking the car today because it's a beautiful day. We're gonna take Nozama. So we're gonna take the bike out. We've got a little mount on her to mount this camera, and we're gonna take some back roads and try to get some footage. Again, I'm new to this. If you guys have any tips or tricks, hey man, put it down in the comments below. I'm definitely open to listen to how to use this, but I'm really excited. So we're gonna try to get some footage. It may not be the best, but hey man, like I said, I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go for a ride. All right guys, so I don't have any external mics, so what you're gonna be hearing is the actual camera coming from the device itself. So I'm really excited. I'll probably keep this kind of raw and unedited just for the first one, so we'll see. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, so I know it's not gonna be the best footage, and I apologize for the loud train. I'm at work. But so sorry if the footage is a little rough. You know, again, it's my first time using it. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Sorry the video of the burnout got cut short. Not sure what happened there. Maybe my phone was open and it hit the stop button while I was inside. I don't know, but again, it's new. I'm excited. It's gonna be so much fun with what I'm gonna be able to capture. I do have like the selfie pole mount for the back of the car, so I'm gonna try and get some footage of that this week with the exhaust. So it's gonna be great. I'm really excited, but I gotta go. I gotta get to work because YouTube does not pay for this stuff. If you really want to help, just smash that like button and be sure to subscribe to my videos because that helps and I can buy more cool stuff to make better videos. So any questions or comments, let me know below. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Have a great day. Peace.